This video is going to be named Jenny's Arrival. McDonald's.
Yeah, don't hand it to me. I'll film you.
Get out of my car.
What'd you do now?
Alex, how do you feel upon Jenny's arrival?
Finally. It's a bush right there.
Sister,
Hey, Chris.
do something funny. It's on video.
I want to do something funny.
Jenny, do something funny. Look at that car.
I can't get all my stuff. I didn't know you were down here. I have my laptop in my car. I told you to call before you. I texted you. You didn't tell me you were on the way. You said you were at Kroger. You're off the script. That's off the way.
The soap opera of the century.
Don't still. If you're still sick, you better not drink. What?
Whoa, wait a minute.
Right, that's what he gives me. We have 10 minutes. Guys, pop in.
Alex, take the camera. We're like Mexicans in here.
Yeah.
No, we're short a few.
Amazing.
Oh, we are short of 2.
There's a car seat in the way.
We need at least 3 more.
We can get Sorry Ricky.
What? Yeah.
Camera 8
Mom, car there. Are you sure there's a car there? Not really.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Pile out of the car.
Look, I have purple contacts.
There's Mexicans that live across the street.
I have purple contacts.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Bail out.
I'm good.
I made it.
You didn't close the door.
Shut up.
I make sure she doesn't leave. Don't leave.
I have a wedgie.
Good to know. I'm gonna go to Mommy today. Wait a minute.
Okay, we're done.
Where's my phone? It died. Hey, wait, Jenny! Is my phone in the car? Is her phone in the car? Kristen! I put it in the door. Look in the door. I can't reach the door. You said look. I can't reach it. Open your eyes. Turn on the light. No, you whore. That hurts my self-esteem. Heifer. Your mom. Oh, that's your mom. You just called your mom.
I'm following. Hey, Jenny.
Hi.
It doesn't
What
hurt
is
your
a heifer again?
self-esteem.
Huh?
What's the technical name for a heifer?
It's like a calf.
It's a pregnant cow.
Yeah.
Okay, you little heifer.
It's a fat cow.
I
I looked it up in the dictionary. It's a pregnant cow.
have a mosquito bite on my ankle, and my legs are about to fall off.